Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to breed your axies on Axie Infinity NFT game and to know the probable result using a simulator. Alright, open your account and go to inventory. Select the axies you want to breed. Make sure to install Freak Tools by FreakKitty's browser extension to see its genes like this. This part will show the breed count, so it's better to buy virgin axies on the marketplace if you plan to breed it. Here, you will see sell, breed, and gift buttons. This will be the planned axie that I'll be breeding, and it's better if both axes have the same skill cards or what they call printer genes to get good results. To breed axies, just select the axie you want to breed and click on breed button. The time I recorded this video is when the breeding cost was only 300 SLP per axies. Now it's 900 SLP per axie. Here is the updated cost per breeding. To check breed possibility, you can use Axie.zone simulator. Just input both axie ID number, like this. Select the other axie you want to breed. Whenever you're ready, just click breed. Your Ronin wallet will pop up and just confirm transaction. Wait for a few minutes until it gets confirmed. Awesome, I've successfully done my first axie breeding. Just refresh the page until the incubated egg appears. Let me breed again. Select the axie you want to breed. You will see here I have 1:7 breed already. Click on breed. Select the other pair. And once decided, click on let's breed. And just confirm the transaction. Alright, the first egg is already showing. Let's check it out. Eggs hatches after 5 days of incubation. Here, you will see its parents.
2 seconds later.
Great, both eggs showing already. This time, I need to wait for 5 days for me to hatch it.
Eventually.
It's been 5 days already and my incubated eggs is ready for morphing. Click the egg you want to morph. You will see here the date and time it will be ready for hatching. To hatch, just click on morph to adult and confirm the transaction on your Ronin wallet. As of the moment, there is no fee for hatching.
A few inches later.
Great, it was hatch ready. And I am very satisfied with the breeding result. It's a carbon copy of its parents. Rather than buying it on the marketplace, I save a bit by just breeding it. Let's morph the other egg. With the second egg, the result is also carbon copy with its parents. I got a young for the tail. It's totally worth it. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my uploads. See you on my next video.